Hey guys, I am going to show you today how to hook up a 3-prong or 4-prong dryer power cable. So your cable is either going to look like this. Okay, we call it 3-prong because it has 3 prongs on it and has 3 connection spots on the back. Or there is a 4-prong which has a dedicated ground. So it's essentially 3 prongs with a ground on it, and that end looks like this. So how is this going to hook up one or the other, and does it matter? Yes, it matters. It absolutely matters. And most of your dryer setups, once you get past this is just a 1/4 socket. So if you've got like a little ratchet set, just stick the 1/4 on there. Just let that fall down here. All right, so this is typically how your dryer is going to be set up from the factory. This is set up right now for 3-prong. So if you have this and your little white wire here is already grounded, you're good to go. All you have to do is back these up, stick them on there, and screw them down. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that easy. How do they go? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if they go like that or if they go like that. Some of these are just round. They don't have these prongs. It's just round and you're not real sure which way to go. It really doesn't matter. These are live, and this would be your ground or chassis wire. And what's happening here is this white cable here, it's a ground cable, and it goes up and attaches to this here. Boom. Okay, so that's what's happening there. 3 on 3. You can see it's just, this is flat, just like that. Okay, that's how you hook up your 3-prong power cable, just like that. Now, what if you have the other? If you have the 4th, there's really only one modification that you need to make, okay? Black, red are your live wires. They go on the outside. White is going to go in the middle, okay? Now, this green over here, it does go over here on the ground, but what you have to do is you have to take this white wire, remove it from here, and put it back in the center post, okay? So that it's not reaching out and grounding because you have a dedicated ground, all right? So these 3 here, remove this white and put it in the middle, white to white, okay? If you look up in here, you've got red and you've got black. So yeah, let me turn this around. You could technically just match up your colors, red, white, black, and move your white back over to the white, okay? And then your green, you're gonna reach it up here, and it'll be the only wire setting up here. So you're gonna have green, black, white with the extra white, and then red. That's how you properly hook up your 4-prong and properly ground your machine here. I'm actually not looking through my phone, but this can be very confusing for people, especially if you've never done it before. You wouldn't know how to do it, and there's no instructions anywhere that tell you how to do it. So I get this question a lot. Hopefully this video will answer some questions for you there. If you found this information useful, valuable, please like, subscribe, and share. That way we can get this information out to more people, and they can see the value in it and save some money and time and all that. Because believe it or not, if you have to have somebody come out to hook this up for you, like pay somebody, it's going to charge you $80 just to set fruit through the door. So let's avoid all that and do it ourselves, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching my video. You guys have a great day.